Hi everyone, today we're going to be making no-peak beef tips and gravy. And what all goes into no-peak beef tips and gravy? 2 pounds of sirloin beef tips. I have sirloin kebabs. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. 1 can cream of mushroom soup. 1 packet of brown gravy mix, 1 packet of dry onion soup mix, and 1 cup of beef broth. And then you'll want either mashed potatoes or rice, whatever you desire for it to be served over. So let's begin. So the first thing that we need to do is preheat the oven to 300 degrees. Dump your cut up beef tips in a 9x13 pan and spread them all out. You want to get a big bowl. Dump your brown gravy mix, your dry onion soup mix, your cream of mushroom soup, and your 1 cup of beef broth. And go ahead and stir that until it is fully mixed. And then go ahead and pour the gravy mix all over the beef tips. And then mix it around and stir it until all of the beef tips are fully saturated. And you want to tightly cover it with aluminum foil. And put it in a 300-degree oven for 2.5 hours. All right, here's the no-peak beef tips and gravy over rice, and rounding off the meal is Italian cheese stick.
Let's do again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.